This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an example of how you could use Google Sheets to create a timeline. So the first thing you need to do is know what you're going to timeline on, but if you want to put a title in and you want it nice and big, you can go up here and select your cells. I'm going to merge these cells. I'm going to center my text, and I'm going to write my title. I'm highlighting my text. I want it in the center of the cell, and I want it bigger, and I want it a cool font. You can always choose more fonts, by the way, and there's a lot of different fonts out there. Well, that's going to be too big. There we go. So I also want the border around my title, and there's that. I can fill this in for color if I want. So here's my example timeline. So let's say I'm going to do my dates here. Maybe I'll fill this in black, and I'll make my text white. And let's say I'm going to do one of myself. So I'm just going to start with 3 events. So in 1981, I'm going to do a text wrap. Erin Marie Lavoie was born on a hot summer day, July 13, 1981. Now notice you have to do this text wrap to get it in the box. I am going to center it. I am going to put some bold lines around my box so that way it shows. Maybe I'll color the box. And now here, I'm going to put born or birth or whatever I want to put there. I'm going to make this much bigger. Notice my cell adjusts to the font. I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to right click it and I'm going to go to, sorry, not going to right click it. I'm going to click it once. Format. Align, nope, text rotation, tilt up. And you'll notice I get this nice tilt up format. I'm going to color that cell, maybe green, or I'll color code it the same color as my other one. I'm going to center this one so it shows there. Maybe I'm going to make this text bigger too. Make sure you select it before you change the size. And there we go. And now I'll keep going and do more events. You can also add images to your timeline. And this is wonderful. Google recently had an update in March of 2019. So let's say I want to put an image under 1981 of my life. I can do insert image, and I want to choose this image in cells because then I can adjust the image based on the cell size. So I can use my own images by uploading or take a snapshot, or I can search here. Now, if you can't go get an image from Google Images or outside and do a copy and paste, it will not work that way. You can do that with formulas, but this is by far easier. So let's say happy birthday. I'm going to get an image there. I'll choose this one, hit select. Notice it puts it in. And if I make this bigger, the image kind of moves with the cell. Now, if I want this even bigger than that, I can put it over the cells. If I want to alter where this falls in the cell, I can hit here and center it. And then I can hit here and center it that way too. And that's how I can get some images in my timeline. And have fun.